Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by matching yarn characteristics because tension and drape depend on fiber and weight. Once ready, leave a 6/8 cm tail on the old yarn and weave it through 3/4 stitches to anchor it. Make sure the new ball is positioned so its end feeds from the same direction to avoid twists. Now, overlap the tails and align the plies. This reduces bulk and keeps gauge consistent. Start knitting with both strands together for 2/4 SDS if using a provisional butt join. Choose a join that suits yarn type. Twist and spit splices work with wool, Russian or woven joins suit plied yarns, and grafting hides joins on stockinette net. Once you pick a method, secure both ends by threading tails through a tapestry needle and working the chosen splice or graft. Make sure to keep the same working orientation so stitches sit consistently. After finishing the join, tug lightly to set it, and then knit 10-20 stitches while watching tension. Adjust with a needle change if needed. To finish, weave each tail 3/5 cm into the wrong side with a blunt needle and trim the excess, leaving a little slack so the join relaxes during blocking. If the join is noticeable afterward, try blocking to even tension. If that fails, unpick and use a different join like Kitchener or woven splice. Make sure to check for weak areas by gently stretching the fabric. If you find instability, reinforce with an invisible stitch or a tiny duplicate stitch on the wrong side to secure it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.